Hey guys, today in this tutorial I show you how to tie your shoes in just 1 second. And now we start. I showed you first. Finish. So, and now I show you how you do that. So, we open the shoe again. So, that you can start that, you first take both strings and make an X like that. And then you put the right one down back to you, and yeah, set what you all times do if you tie your shoes. So, and then make it tight. So, and now we have prepared everything to do it. So now we come to step 2. So in step 2 now it get a bit more complicated. So you make both hands like that, like a L, and then with the right hand you put the thumb to the front and down and to you, and the pointer finger also like that. So then you have it like that, and then you can pick with that finger. So, and on the left side you do quite the same, but in the reverse way. So this time we not go to the front with the thumb, we go with the pointer finger to the back side, and with the thumb also, and we go to the front again. So now you have here's that, so it looks like the same. In step 3 you must take with that fingers and with that fingers. So with the right both fingers you pick that. You see it? So, and with the left I will pick that one. So it's a bit tricky, like that and that. I mean, I pick with I not use the pointer finger. I just use with that I pick that, and with that thumb, left thumb, I just take it like that. I just that I can pull it to the left side, so that I can pick it, and then if it's on the other side I can also use my pointer finger like that, and I have it in both hands now. And then I just need to pull to both sides and the shoe is closed, it is tied. So, and now I show it again in the fast way. So the preparing here, 2 strings X down to me, so prepared, and now 2 L's and ta-da. And if you're really good at it, then maybe you can also do it in 1 second like that. Bam. So I hope the tutorial helped you guys and make your life a bit easier, and have fun with it, and bye.